So good morning everyone. Myself Manoj Das and I'm a teacher in Holy Cross School Rajganj Balaigach. So today I am making this video just to help out how will you attend your online examinations. During this lockdown, it is really a great challenge for all the teachers and the students to cope up and cooperate with each other in online examinations and online teaching and learning. But you all are doing well. So today I am making this video of Holy Cross School that how will you attend your online examinations. So I hope you all are safe in your home. You all are maintaining all the guidelines provided by your professionals, doctors and the World Health Organizations. So once again I would like to request you, stay home, stay safe, do not go out of your home unnecessarily. Okay, let us come to the main topic, that how will you attend your online examinations. See students, teachers are really doing hard work for making the question papers and it is really a great challenge for all the teachers, but still as our teachers are very creative and hardworking, so all the teachers are working on it. But now this video I am making for the students and the parents, so I would like to request all the students and parents to see this video very carefully, that how will you attend this online test. This is a very serious test, don't take it lightly because these marks are going to be added. Okay, so see, we teachers, we are making question papers and you will be getting a link for that particular question paper for a particular subject in your WhatsApp group. Okay, it is the link which is actually the question paper in the link formation. Now as soon as you click the link, your question paper will be open in your Google Chrome browser. If by chance your Google Chrome browser does not open, if any other browser opens through that link, then what you have to do, you have to go back to the WhatsApp group once again. There you press the link will be copied. Now copy the link, open your Google Chrome. Remember, you have to open your Google Chrome. Open your Google Chrome and then in the search bar you just paste the link and search it. So whenever you search the link, this kind of interface which I am showing on the screen just now, this kind of interface will come in front of you. You can see here is your school name, your subject, your class, everything has come. Now you have to fill your email ID, the valid email address you have to fill there. Then below that your name, roll number and section. In section there are three options: section A, section B and section O. Those who are in section A, they will fill section A. Those who are in section B, they will fill section B. And if you do not have any section in your class, then you have to fill O. Hope you understand this. So as soon as you fill this particular part, then you have to go down. There is one option called next, as you can see here on the screen. So in next you click. As soon as you click in next, then your questionnaire page opens. Then there are some set of instructions. Read the instructions very carefully. I would like to tell the guardians also to help your junior students, those who are in class 1, 2. Okay, for those students, please guide them, guide your children, guide your child. Now see that there are a lot of questions: MCQ, fill in the blanks, short answer type, long answer type. There are variety of questions in your paper. Now start filling the answers. Read the question very carefully and fill the answers according to the choice. Okay, one more instruction I would like to give you, that suppose there are 4 options for any particular questions and you have put the answer B, but later on you thought that my answer is wrong, the answer can be C. That time you can change your answer. So until or unless you submit your paper, you can change your options, you can change your answer as many as time you want, so there is no problem. Then in the short answer type questions you have to type the answer. Okay, then long answer type also you have to type the answers. That is very easy, there is no problem, but you have to keep one thing in your mind, that is time. Your each question paper has a particular time. Say it is for 20 minutes, for 40 minutes. So as soon as you click on the link, your time starts from that time. So try to finish your answer within time. If you cannot finish all the answer within time, please submit it, because if you are late by 1 second also or 1 minute also, then your paper you cannot submit. It will be considered as disqualified or disqualification. Understand? So please try to submit your answer paper within the given time. This time is very important. So it is a lesson for you also, that you have to respect time. So if you don't respect time, then time will also not respect you. Now please see this demo. Here I am filling my email address, like how will you fill in case of when you will give your examination. Fill your email address like I am filling here. Okay. Fill it correctly, don't make any mistake, because it is very important. Then second is your name, fill it correctly. After that you can see the roll number, put your roll number here, school roll number. Then section A, B, C. See, I have chosen O because I don't have any section. Those who are in section A, they will choose A. Those who are in B, section B, and those who don't have, section O. Then next. When you click next, your second part of the question has come. Now this part contains questions. Who is the Prime Minister of India? Suppose I'm giving the answer Narendra Modi. Okay, so like this you will be typing the answer. Second is, what is the smallest bone of our body? So here answer is stapes. So I have chosen this. If you want to change, see, I'm changing, you can change. Then name the capital of Australia. That I'm writing the answer, Canberra. Then you can submit. So before submission you can check your answers. See, I'm submitting. As soon as I submit, see, thank you for participation from Manoj Sir, Holy Cross School. So this kind of interface you will be seeing. Hope you understand. Suppose a student has answered 30 questions out of 40, 30 questions attended, okay, but he could not submit his answer paper within the given time, then the student will get a big 0 because he has not submitted within the given time. So please respect time and submit your answer paper within the given time. Okay, so if you have any difficulty with whatever I explained here just now, then you can contact me, then I will be coming back to you once again. Thank you very much. Be inside your home, be safe.